Shalom, it's Tila from the Kifar, and this is video number 3 in the Eating Breakfast in the Past Hebrew Sentence series. You can find the full playlist along with related blog posts in the video description below. And if you're a member of the Kifar Patreon community, you can download the slides that are used for all of the series. You get them at the beginning of every week. And if you're not a member, you can sign up at patreon.com/thekifar at whatever tier works best for you. And today's sentence is, she or he sat at the table and ate the omelet. היא ישבה ליד השולחן ואכלה את החביתה. הוא ישב ליד השולחן ואכל את החביתה. היא ישבה ליד השולחן ואכלה את החביתה. הוא ישב ליד השולחן ואכל את החביתה. היא ישבה ליד השולחן ואכלה את החביתה. הוא ישב ליד השולחן ואכל את החביתה. And that is all for today. תודה על הצפייה. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Leave your questions and observations in the comments below and stay tuned for the next sentence in the series. להתראות.